everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and it's an exciting time of year when random boxes of plants start arriving on my doorsteps. I've ordered a lot of things in preparation of the plant sale that I'm going to have during the Spring Open Garden on Saturday, May 7th from noon to 4 p.m. And I'm not exactly sure what's in these boxes, but I'm assuming that it's plants that I'm going to grow out to be able to have for sale. So let's see what has arrived. I'm so excited. You guys, it's the Treasure Island sweet potatoes. I can't believe it. Oh, there's a lot of them. Oh my gosh. I guess I should start from the top. Holy crap. This is a lot of sweet potatoes. Oh my goodness. I cannot believe this is like, could I count today as being my birthday? This is amazing. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna get these boxes undone. I'm irrationally excited about this. They are really well watered, which is great. They're in really good condition, considering they were shipped from Michigan. And obviously they're in really small cells. So I will get busy getting these potted up over the next couple of days and started to be grown out to be able to sell during the Spring Open Garden. This should be motivation for everyone to show up to see the gardens and buy some of these amazing sweet potatoes that I think are really a game changer. They're the first ornamental edible sweet potatoes to hit the market. And not only do they create delicious tubers that you harvest in the fall, but you can eat the foliage all summer long. You can put it in salads, you can add it to smoothies. So these Treasure Island sweet potatoes are beautiful and bountiful. They fit right into the foodscaping ethic, and that's why I love them so much. Oh, I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Oh, this is so exciting. So now I have to really start thinking logically about where these are gonna live. There's 144 of each variety. If I put them in 1 gallon, it's gonna take up a lot of square footage. I might see about putting them into square 2 quarts because I think I can fit 8 in a tray, and just space-wise, I think it'll be more efficient. You know, David just walked past and he's like, but you're not starting a nursery, right? I guess in preparation of Spring Open Garden, I sort of start a nursery for about 2 months and then that's it, you know. I just can't help it. These are the most amazing sweet potatoes, and I don't know why they're just not like available at every garden center. And so for me to be able to have them available for people is really meaningful, and I feel so fortunate that my friends have hooked me up to be able to offer this. So yeah, I'm gonna have to do some evaluations, which I guess is gonna mean some new YouTube videos about how to create a temporary nursery. Be efficient about it. Key thing, full sun, easy access to water, and because these are sweet potatoes, they are tender. If we have another cold snap, they're gonna have to come indoors. Like, yeah, if we get to 20 degrees, these would be absolutely melted. So I also have to take into consideration the reality of growing these not in a greenhouse for the next, 6 weeks. So I guess stay tuned for more videos about how I go about growing these in anticipation of spring garden sales. Well, I hope that you will be inspired to come and visit during the Spring Open Garden and pick up some of these awesome Treasure Island sweet potatoes so that you can grow them out yourself this summer and discover the joy that I had last year growing these. And as always, I appreciate you watching. Happy gardening, everybody.